Bharat is a land of festivals and fairs. Each festival pertains to different occasions, wherein some festivals welcome the different seasons of the year, while the other festivals may celebrate the birthdays of divine beings and saints. A number of these festivals are common to most part of Bharat. However, they may be called by different names in various parts of the country or celebrated in a different fashion. One such festival that is celebrated across Bharat is the advent of the New Year. The New Year in Bharat falls on the first day of the first month in the traditional Hindu calendar, which is the Shuddha Padhyami of the Chaitra Masa. According to the Gregorian calendar, it falls in the month of March or April. The New Year that is celebrated on the first day of the Chaitra Masa is known by different names across Bharat. In Tamil, it is Pudu Aandu, Yugadi in Telugu and Kannada, Vishu in Kerala, Gudi Padwa in Maharashtra, Ghangaur in Rajasthan, Bhog Bihu in Assam, Polia Baisakhi in Bengal, Nava Varsh in Nepal, Cheti Chand in Sindhi, Hindu Vikram in Gujarat, Navreh in Kashmir, and Baisakhi in the other northern states. So now that was the what, when, and where of Yugadi. Now let's listen to why Yugadi is celebrated and how it is celebrated. The term Yugadi originates from two Sanskrit words, which is Yuga and Adi. Yuga means a period of time or a year. Adi means beginning. Hence, Yugadi means the beginning of a new year. Yugadi is celebrated on the Chaitra Shuddha Padhyami, which marks the beginning of the spring season when various flowers are in full bloom and the trees yield their fruits profusely. Since it's the beginning of the spring season, it's also believed that this is the time of the year for fresh beginning by leaving behind the past and starting the new year with a fresh positive outlook. The spiritual significance of Yugadi stems from Lord Brahma. It is believed that Lord Brahma started his creation on this very day, and he also writes out everyone's fate on this day for the entire year to come by. In southern Bharat, on the day of Yugadi, everyone wakes up early, takes a oil bath, wears new clothes and decorates their homes with mango leaves and rangoli. In Kerala, an elderly woman would wake up everyone, lead them to the prayer room, and here everyone opens their eyes to the auspicious sight of Vishukarni that includes images of certain deities. Also on the occasion of Yugadi, there is a special emphasis on a special symbolic dish that signifies the essence of life. It signifies the essence of life through the ingredients that is used to make this dish. The dish is a mixture of neem, jaggery, chili, salt, tamarind and mango. Hence, the dish brings to the plate a mixture of all known tastes, which is bitterness, sweetness, sourness, spicy, tangy and salty, thus signifying that life is a mixture of all these tastes starting from bitterness till sweetness, and that it also tells us that one must face all the emotions bravely no matter what it could be. This symbolic dish is called Bevu Bella in Karnataka and Pachadi in Telugu. Also on this occasion of Yugadi, Panchanga Shravana or reading of Panchanga is conducted. The Panchanga is read by the eldest member of the family to prepare one to face himself for the future and also to plan to overcome difficulties that may come up the entire year. Further, considering that this is the beginning of summer, edibles that cool the body like the panakam, which is a mixture of jaggery water with ginger, buttermilk and soaked green dal, is consumed. So that was the significance of Yugadi, wherein we've tried to explain the what, when, where, how and why of Yugadi. Hope you enjoyed it.